You ever notice in the movies where there's a guy with a gun and it's a Glock with no external hammer? Pull out their gun and they're... What's up with that? There's no sound. I mean, might as well just do this. Or this.
Makes no sense.
Yeah, makes no sense at all. Might as well be doing this.